Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Block Jam level 39. First, understand the level's goal, which is often to clear a specific number of blocks or reach a target score. Begin by removing any single blocks that are easy to clear, especially those obstructing larger groups. This initial clearing creates vital space, allowing you to strategize your next moves more effectively and efficiently. Remember, every move counts in these early stages. Next, focus on strategic block placement. Your primary goal should be forming complete horizontal lines to clear them from the board. Also, keep an eye out for chances to create 2x2 squares, as these can often clear multiple blocks at once. Be careful not to trap any crucial blocks in difficult-to-reach corners, as this can hinder your progress later in the level. Planning ahead is key here. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite game soundtracks or podcasts while you play Color Block Jam. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming experience. You can find links to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. As you progress, you'll encounter special blocks. Activate bomb blocks when they are surrounded by many other blocks to maximize their clearing power. Line clear blocks are excellent for removing entire rows or columns, so deploy them strategically to open up new pathways. Try to save your rainbow blocks for those really tough, isolated areas where other blocks can't easily reach. Timing their use is crucial for success. For the final stages, focus on clearing any remaining single blocks that can complete lines. Don't hesitate to use any special blocks you have left to achieve the level's objectives, whether it's clearing a certain number of blocks or reaching a score. Try to clear multiple lines simultaneously for bonus points and a higher score. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to completing level 39.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.